this is Hans the Ramenrator again with another egg video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect fried egg, and first thing we need is an egg. You kind of want to let it sit around for a little bit outside of the fridge. I throw them in these little bowls while I wait for them to warm up a little bit. It seems that a warmer egg seems a little happier. And then I use these silicone egg rings. These are pretty easy to get. You probably could find, you could also use a cookie cutter. So anyways, I crack the egg into this bowl, and you'll see why. It makes it a lot easier doing it this way, because if you want it to look perfect, you don't want any air bubbles. So I just pop them with a little toothpick, not too hard. Then I use a little bit of cooking spray in a pan and run the ring around the pan a little bit and get the edges of that inside of that ring pretty good. Now put it on the lowest heat setting you can, let it sit for a minute, and then pour the egg in. Now, as you can see, the yolk is not in the center, and this is the kind of one of the trickier parts. So I want that egg to be dead center, as close as I can, at least definitely further over than where it is now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the heat up just a little bit more. The trick is to get that just to the right temperature. See it kind of holding the ring, tilting the pan, lifting it off the burner a little bit, and you'll see that the bottom on the inside will start just turning a little white. And when it does that, it kind of almost glues the yolk into position. See? There we go. And then we're going to put it back down to that low setting and let it sit. And this one took about 15 minutes. You can see it's getting a little bit nicer looking. It takes a while, and we lost a little bit of the white on the side. It's nicer when that doesn't happen, but it was being kind of finicky about sitting in the middle, and the more you move that ring, the more you're going to lose out of the bottom. But this is a pretty trivial amount that we lost. So it's just sitting there at the lowest setting. And then I take the spatula and slowly peel off. This is sped up, but slowly and gently peel off that little bit of excess white that came off the egg. It's not too hard to tear the edge, and once you do that, if you want this thing to look absolutely perfect, and then you're kind of in trouble. What you do is you pinch the ring, and it seems to be a gentler way of pulling it off. Even if you spray it down on the inside, it's still going to be kind of tough to get it. But if you pinch it, it seems to do a better job of it. And then here is our happy egg. And I threw together some meagering really quick. And look, the egg right there. Yeah, that's it. And then, of course, I couldn't do this without letting you see the goopy. Goopy egg is what it's all about, especially with mee goreng. But yeah, you can put it on anything you want. Yeah, low and slow. That's kind of the ground rules here. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to make ramen eggs, check out that video at the end. Thanks.